Imagine two young men who earn exactly the same amount of money. They live in the same city, work similar jobs, and even have the same opportunities. Yet 10 years later, one enjoys financial freedom while the other struggles to pay his monthly bills. What created such a huge difference? Surprisingly, it was not a higher salary, a better education, or simple luck. It was a set of daily money habits that quietly shaped their future. The truth is simple. Wealth is rarely created by one big decision. Instead, it grows through hundreds of small decisions repeated over many years. Many people believe that becoming rich requires extraordinary talent. However, history tells a different story. Most financially successful people simply think differently about money. They understand one powerful truth. Every dollar you spend today is making a decision about your future. It can either disappear forever or begin working for you. The richest people do not ask, "Can I afford this?" Instead, they ask, "Will this purchase create value tomorrow?" That single question changes everything. Today, you will discover 7 timeless money habits that have helped countless successful people build lasting wealth. More importantly, you will improve your advanced English while learning ideas that could change the way you think forever. Let's begin with the first habit. Habit 1. They invest in knowledge first. The first habit may surprise you. Before successful people invest in businesses, real estate, or the stock market, they invest in themselves. They know that knowledge is the only investment that can never be stolen. Every new skill increases your value. Every useful book changes the way you think. Wealth often begins in the mind long before it appears in your bank account. Habit 2, they make money work for them. Most people work hard for money. Wealthy people also ask a different question. How can my money work for me? They understand that saving alone is not enough. Money should grow over time through wise decisions. This does not mean taking reckless risks. It means thinking patiently, learning continuously, and making informed financial choices instead of emotional ones. Habit 3. They control their spending. Successful people do not buy everything they can afford. They understand the difference between looking rich and becoming rich. One creates attention, the other creates freedom. Every unnecessary purchase has a hidden cost. It quietly steals future opportunities. Financial discipline is not about saying no forever. It is about saying yes to something greater later. Habit 4. They think long-term. One of the biggest differences between average earners and wealthy individuals is time perspective. Most people think about the next weekend. Successful people think about the next decade. Habit 5. They avoid emotional decisions. Fear and greed have destroyed more wealth than economic crises ever could. Successful investors remain calm when others panic and stay rational when others become overly excited. Habit 6. They build multiple sources of income. Many wealthy people understand a simple rule. Depending on a single source of income can be risky. They continuously look for ways to create additional streams of value and opportunity. Habit 7. They never stop learning. Perhaps the most powerful habit of all is continuous learning. Markets change. Technology evolves. Opportunities appear and disappear. But people who continue learning remain prepared for the future. The wealthiest individuals are often the most curious. They ask questions, they study trends, they learn from mistakes, and they understand that knowledge compounds just like money. So, what truly makes people rich? It is not luck, it is not magic, and it is rarely a single breakthrough moment. Wealth is usually the result of disciplined habits practiced consistently over many years. Invest in knowledge. Control your spending. Think long-term. Stay rational. Keep learning. These habits may seem simple, but their impact can be life-changing. The future you dream about is built by the decisions you make today. Start small, stay consistent, and let time work in your favor. Thank you for listening. If you enjoyed this advanced English listening practice, subscribe to Mind English and continue improving your English while learning powerful ideas that can transform your life.